All Clad cookware is probably the best known brand of cookware in the world. Back in the 70s, they invented clad cookware. Clad, or layered metals, is thought to be the very best type of stainless steel cookware made. Aluminum does not stand up very well in the kitchen. It's very active. So combining it with stainless steel is absolute genius. In the early 2000s, the patent for All Clad tri-clad cookware expired. So over the last 20 years, clad cookware has become ubiquitous. Most of All Clad's bodies, but not the handles, are made in the same small town in which All Clad started in the USA. But lately I've been going on about Strata. It's also a 3-ply cookware, but it's got a special feature. The inside layer is carbon steel instead of stainless steel. I'm a big fan of these pans because they solve a big problem for me. I have loads of customers that want iron type cooking results, but not the weight. And Strata solves this problem. I've made a few videos about Strata, and the only unpositive results I get when people watch the videos is people say they can do the same thing when I'm frying eggs with their stainless steel pans, so they're All Clad stainless steel pans particularly, that I can do with a Strata pan. And they don't have to maintain an iron innard, the seizing of the pan. They don't have to do any maintenance. They're just like, hey, this is an easier pan for me to use and I'll get the same results. Fair enough. I've already promoted stainless steel on this channel as being a phenomenal alternative to nonstick, and I've shown how stick resistant it can be, so I'm not expecting lopsided results in my test. I'm going to do a simple fried egg test using the exact same amount of oil, the exact same amount of butter, the same heat, the same duration, and see what kind of results we get. My goal on this channel is to help people go away from nonstick cookware. So whatever the results of this video are, if it's stainless steel or if it's Strata, that's great, that's wonderful. The job here for me is to help people see they have alternatives to using nonstick. I'm going to do this straight up. There's going to be no testing and cutting out the things that don't work and editing and changing, because of course we can edit videos. That's what we do. We want to make a good experience for you. And some people want to support their bias. I try not to. I am biased and I'm clear with that. So I'm going to just do the straight up single filming of this. One kind of shot. I'll cut it for duration just so you're not sitting watching, pans heat up and that sort of thing. But I promise you that this is the first take and I'm not going to be changing it whatsoever. The results are going to be what they're going to be and I have no idea. So these are light pans. They're only heating up for a minute. So everything, you couldn't do this with an iron pan, like a basic iron pan. We couldn't have this straight head-to-head comparison. It wouldn't work. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so there's the roundup. So All Clad versus Strata. I think Strata comes out on top, but there really isn't a clear winner here. I think All Clad is a tremendous cookware. I think it worked incredibly well. I think the nonstick was reasonably good. The nonstick to the Strata pan was excellent. I think the results were absolutely perfect. So, you know, would I choose the Strata? Yeah, if that's the job for cooking eggs, I would choose a Strata. I will definitely choose an All Clad pan if I need something that is going to be totally non-reactive, that I'm going to be doing deglazing and I'm going to be using acidic foods. 100%, it has its place. I'm not saying this is 100% a replacement for an All Clad pan. And to those people that are like, hey, I got a stainless steel pan, it works great for me, I don't need the Strata. Absolutely, we see that. You know, you can cook a fried egg here, no problem, tiny little bit of sticking, not a big deal. This pan's going to clean out without a problem. So, you know, I think at the end of the day, you know, head versus head, we have a winner with the Strata, but, you know, for a clear winner here is that both of these pans will replace a nonstick pan, and that's the win. Nobody needs a coated cookware. You do not need to have PTFE or any sort of chemicals in your fry pan to get excellent results. So there you go. Any comments, any questions, throw them below. Thanks.